What a beautiful day to go camping. Perfect wilderness, fresh air, food, a tent that's being set up at the moment. And by the way, if you hear dogs barking, don't worry, they're in a cage. They won't do any harm. How's setup going, Mario?
It's all going pretty good, Luigi. We just finished setting up the tent. Great. Oh, now I can lay down. My belly hurts. Why does your belly hurt? Oh, it's probably best that you don't know why. If it's what I'm thinking.
Hey, Rat, why don't you go get the sticks for tonight, for our fire tonight?
Say what? Why do I have to go and get the sticks?
Well, because you're kinda gonna be the loafer for tonight.
Alright, fine. I'll go get those stupid sticks.
Isn't it a beautiful day to go camping, bro? Yeah, perfect.
You know, I'm kinda getting a little lumbly in my tummy.
I am too. Snake, how about you? You getting hungry? Yep. Garfield, how about you?
No.
But you're always hungry.
Like I said, my belly hurts.
Why does your belly hurt?
Well, like I told Mario, it's probably best that you don't know why.
Okay, well anyways, let's just open the cooler and have us some delicious food. Why is all the food gone?
I don't know, wait. I told you. It's best you don't know why.
Garfield, how many times do I have to tell you? Don't eat all of our food when we go camping.
I'm sorry, I couldn't help it.
You know what? As punishment, you're going on another diet.
What?
Even longer than the one that we actually videotaped. What? Oh. Well, you deserved it. We're hungry. We can't eat anything. The snake. Why don't you just go and, find some berries or something? Okay.
I'm bored.
I know what we can do. What? Let's look out for some animals. See what we can find. Hey, I see one just right there. Look at that nice pretty frog. Wow, did you see it jump over our tent?
Yeah, that kind of was a little bit amazing, but I kind of wish something more exciting happened.
Like what?
Oh no, just something.
Wait, what are those heavy footsteps?
Froggy, wait up! Wait!
You have got to be kidding me. Oh no! Man, I didn't think it'd be this hard to find berries in the first place. Why did Garfield have to eat all of the food? And I wouldn't be stuck in this mess. I must find berries. Hey, berries! Okay, got the berries. Now gotta find my way back to the tent. Okay, so, well, here it is, the open area. I know how to get myself back to the tent from here. Don't worry, Snake, everything's gonna be all fine. What was that growl? It's a monster!
Have you seen Froggy?
What was that? Oh, I'm lost! I'm going to die in here. Wait, is that an opening? It's probably the way back to the tent. You done it, Snake. You found the way back to the opening. There's no way out of here. Oh man, did it chance?
Hey, how come we haven't heard from Snake or Rat in a while?
I don't know. Maybe they chickened out and ditched us. Oh, the trusty Flins. Yeah, you're right. I bet they'll be back soon.
How about we play a game?
Like what?
I spy with my little eye.
A tree.
Whoa. I spy with my little eye a tree. I spy with my little eye
A tree.
You got it again! Oh man, you guys are good.
Hey, look, a snake. Wait, that is Snake. Snake. Snake, what happened? Lost hours. No water. But had food. Food? What was your food? The berries I had to collect. Ah!
I got the 6. Garfield. What? Scratch me. Scratch me good. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels way better, folks. Ah yeah. Why are you letting me scratch you?
Tell you later. Okay, I'll rub the 2 sticks together and start a fire. You know, I don't think this fire's gonna happen. You know what? Maybe it's not, but do you know what I know is not gonna happen?
What?
This camping trip. We're packing up.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, same here.
Yeah, we're going home.